Let's let the fuel fly. Torrential downpours of fuel expected in these best 2 of 3 finals between Alliance 1 and Alliance 2. Off to a great start. Pretty close right now, 40-41. All right. Looks like in this transition period, we're gonna switch over from red to blue. All right, blue's turn, here we go. A little bit of defense from the Robonauts. Trying to keep the cycle breakers from launching into their hub with accuracy. Here comes 58-29, AwtyBots, Blue Alliance with a barrage. Here comes Robonauts, a little early on the Red Alliance. 58-29 coming up on him. Here comes Robonauts again. Orange Dynamite lining up. Both the robots. Furious fuel. Their time's about to expire, and then we're gonna switch on over to blue. Here we go, switching over to the blue. Blue hub now active. Cycle breakers going strong. Robonauts trying to get them off their spot. But look at the human players, look at that. High action from the Blue Alliance side of the field. 118 getting ready to come back to their side, scooping up fuel. AwtyBots trying to stop them. Here comes Orange Dynamite. Man, there's shooting like 50 of those things in there. Here comes Robonauts getting ready. Trying from deep side, getting stopped. Too far away. AwtyBots is causing some trouble there. Last 30 seconds of the match. Both hubs are active. Look at cycle breakers on the Blue Alliance. It's going. Here comes Orange Dynamite. It's going to be close. Robonauts are already on the tower, going for a level 3 climb. Time! What a match! Wins this first match of the finals, 227-152. Alliance 1 wins this one. They take a 1-0 lead here in the best 2 of 3 finals. We'll be back for finals match 2 in a few minutes, but now it's time to hand out some more awards.